We started in 2011 because there was a need for classes statewide, and at that time people were really interested in becoming more self-sufficient. One of the things that we want to do with the Grow Your Own program is to empower people to grow some of their own fresh produce so that they have something that they know that is healthy, that they grew it themselves, they know what's been put on it, whether there's chemicals or not, whatever they choose to do, they know how that product was grown, so they feel comfortable with it. They can use it for themselves, they can share it with neighbors, friends, and with the community.
I think it's satisfying to be able to grow things and consume them yourself. I mean, you can't get any closer from farm to table than growing stuff in your own backyard and eating it at your own table. I learned a lot more about what works in this environment, and I think if someone is going to have some success in this environment, they really need to hear from other people who know more than they do. I came here from Chicago, totally different environment, and so I just enjoyed the experience of learning, but then the experience of being able to share my knowledge with other people. I think it's enjoyable for the audience, at least I hope it is, because then they walk away with more confidence of having success when they grow it.